What's up, everybody? Mark with Ecom Warriors. Today we're going to be doing a competition video where we compete essentially the paid we put against the paid Shopify theme, the Wolf Shopify theme, against a bunch of paid apps, and we'll see which one is going to reign supreme. Basically, what we're taking a look at is the same exact features, but what's going to save you more money. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is the Wolf of Shopify theme. As you guys may know, it's probably the best converting theme out there to date. I know there's a whole lot of themes. I've compared this theme to other themes, and I will compare this theme to more themes in the future. But we have a stock counter, we have a countdown timer, we have a stock countdown timer here. We have X amount sold in the X amount of hours. We have a real time visitor count. We have a pop-up. We have buy it now. We have sticky add to cart. We have a whole bunch of features. We have a special offer box. So there's all these different features, and they all have a part to play within the conversions spectrum, right? The more of these features you have, and the better your marketing is going to be, the more conversions you're going to have simply. That's where you're going to get the 6%, 7, 8% conversions, and it's actually very possible. In fact, one of my Shopify stores, I had a 16% conversion rate, and that's actually documented and true. So, if you guys want to check that video out, message me, I'll send you the link or something like that. Or you could just look through my YouTube channels. It's there, right? 16% conversion rate. Now, let's go ahead and compete. So we know, or compare. We know what features the theme has. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the theme. Just so we know, the theme is actually $159. So I'm going to judge it based on that $159, not based on the sale price, just so everybody knows, okay? So this is the Wolf of Shopify theme. Like I said, this is the website. When you go visit the website, you hit this little Wolf of Shopify button. This is the place to order it. You could take a look at all the features yourself. I'm not going to go through that now. But what we will do is do the comparison. So let's start from the top. The first app is the Sales Pop-Up Master, which is this little feature right here, where the little sales pop up on the bottom left of the screen, and the theme cost, or the feature costs $9.99 per month after a 3-day free trial. So let's go ahead and pull up a calculator, and let's just write this down. This is what you're going to be paying monthly for the apps, okay? The next feature is the Pretty Product Pages for $7.90 per month. And basically what this is going to do is it's going to help replicate this feature box right here and the other side feature boxes. I know you guys aren't seeing it in this example. However, if you edit different versions, that's why the Wolf of Shopify theme comes with 5 different demos. They actually have different demos. Like if you guys see this photo, if there's like 3 boxes here. It plays the exact same role as this app, which I'll show you guys a screenshot. Something like this. It says handmade with love, free express shipping, 12-month warranty. These are basically just like 3 focal points of the product. We call these selling points, right? These are selling points of the product, and that feature cost $7.90 per month. So let's go ahead and add that so far, $7.90. Let's go ahead and check out our next feature. So Pretty Product Pages we already added. Next one, Hurify. So Hurify is a countdown timer, and it is a countdown timer that tells you how many sold in the last X amount of time. So it is the same as this. So hurry. 50 sold, 25 left. They both kind of play the same kind of role. And remember, when I'm picking these apps, obviously I can't find an identical app, but what I can find is something that has of the same caliber of features. So I'm not basing it on price. I'm not picking the most expensive apps. I'm not picking the cheapest apps. I'm trying to make this experiment as fair as possible. And basically what I'm doing is I'm finding the apps that basically fit the same caliber of quality, right? So in this case, this countdown timer, how much does it cost? Hurify costs $6.99. So let's go ahead and make that addition. So $6.99. Let's go ahead. We have $24.88 thus far. So Livify is the next one, where it shows, you guessed it, actual live visitor count. So if I could just pull up the screenshot here, it says here 12 people are looking right now. If you look at this page, it says real-time visitors and account. I actually like this one better versus this one, where is it? The little app. Because the little app, even though it has an emoji, it draws people's attention. It doesn't look nearly as professional. It doesn't look like it fits in with the theme, which is, of course, added benefit, which will help your conversions. If you get a whole bunch of apps from different places and they all look different, it's not going to go well with your theme. But let's go ahead and make sure we add that addition price. I'm just going to get rid of the other apps that we went through here. So how much is this one? This one is $6.99. Let's go ahead and make that addition. So $6.99. All right. Now let's move on to the next one. Sticky add to cart. So I actually talked about this before, but what sticky add to cart does is and it's $7.92. But what it does is when you're scrolling down, right, and the add to cart button disappears, you want to give people the option so that they can purchase right away, right, or add the product to their cart. That's what sticky add to cart does. There's a little section that says add to cart, and it's a little slider pop up that people can hit the button and they'll be able to do it. So I'll give you an example here. So I scroll down, there we go. The add to cart button pops up. I hit add to cart. It says successful. So how much is this one? Let's see here. Sticky add to cart is $7.92. So let's go ahead and add that to our grand total that we are paying monthly. All right, $7.92. What's next? So we have a cross seller. So basically what a cross seller is, if you guys bought anything on Amazon before, you're going to have a section that says related products, or a section that's essentially boosting the product. So, boosting sales. Basically, it's giving people different options. So imagine if I am, let's just click on this website. If I'm a girl and I said, oh, hey, I like this black pair of shorts, I can scroll down and I can see related products here, like this classic seamless leggings instead. It's a cross sell, right? And so I might say, I like the leggings more than I like the shorts. Let me add it to my cart, or let me check out right away. And that's actually a feature. So it's a cross sell feature, and this feature is $19.99 per month. So let's go ahead and make sure we add that. Now, there's actually an added benefit for this feature, and the added benefit is it has a cart upseller, and that's probably why it costs a little bit more, $19.99 per month, but so does Wolf of Shopify. So if you see here, whenever I add a product to my cart, what's going to happen is it's going to show a list of products that are upsells, and they're actually right here. So I can upsell, it says with this product, people also buy, right? And you can edit the text, of course, and I can click on another product and I can click add to cart, or I could just click buy now right away. So this is another feature that's on the cart page, which is all allotted to that $19.99 price. Let's move on to the next one. So, I'm sure there's a little bit more features on this actual site. However, on the product page, that is, not on the actual site, but on the product page, this is the next one. This is a sold stock inventory counter. So it's a little bit different than the last one, but it just shows how many are sold. So 2 in stock, X amount sold. If you look at our theme here, if we click on a certain page, it says 9 sold in the last 17 hours. So this will play the same role, but once again, this one looks a little bit more fitting, right? It just fits within the theme. The accents are blue. The accents here are blue. The text is black. Regular text is black. So it just fits all together. And let's see how much this one is. And it costs $5 a month. So not too bad, $5 a month. So let's go ahead and add 5 to that. Let's go ahead and clear this. $19.99 from our last one plus 5. So that's a grand total of $64.78. And at this point, we don't have any more apps that we could choose from. So based on what we're seeing with the Wolf of Shopify theme, with the features that we have available to us for conversion rates, we would need those apps specifically to mimic them. However, those apps cost $64.78. Now, if we go back to our theme here, our theme costs $159. And so basically what that means is we would have to pay 2 months, which is $129, right, to get the sale price of the theme. So imagine if you bought all those apps for 2 months, right? For 2 months, you would have got the Wolf of Shopify theme for essentially free, and you would have made $4.56, right? But imagine if you had those apps for 3 months. So imagine like $65 times 3 months. That's $195. You could have bought the theme at $159 and saved yourself $40, $30, whatever the number is. So basically what you guys are seeing here is that it's better to invest in a theme, and I just proved it, just on one feature only, the product page, right? Not the home page, or not even the collection page, or add to cart, or frequently asked questions, or all these different other apps that you could pay for that come with the theme for free, right? And that includes the pop-up, that includes, the different styles. When you take a look at the product styles, that includes the collection pages, right? Basically, what this is showing you is that you can save money with a theme. Now, I'm not saying go out and get the Wolf of Shopify theme. That's not what I'm saying at all. What I'm saying is get a theme that's going to save you money, right? For me, the theme is Wolf of Shopify. For somebody else, it might be something entirely different. So you could see here, it will save you money, and there's no question about that. A well-built theme will save you money because it will replace the cost of apps. And I always personally look for themes that are one-time payment, as opposed to, or even yearly, but not monthly. Because then at that point, I might as well just get the apps. Like, what's the hassle, right? And I could always cancel the apps at any time. However, a theme like this is much better because I'm paying either one-time fee or yearly or whatever the case may be, but not monthly, and I get to get all those apps basically for free within the cost of the theme. And you guys have seen it before. If you guys are consistent watchers of the YouTube channel, you guys know we've seen stores for sale on the exchange, right, on Shopify Exchange, and we've seen stores have hundreds of dollars a month in costs of apps that are totally irrelevant and totally not needed, that they could have just mitigated by just buying a theme, right? That would have saved them time, saved them money, right? And last thing I'll say is not every theme is created equal. So you want to really take a deep look into some of the themes. So I've actually mentioned this before, but there's a theme in I think it was my last YouTube video. I'm not really sure which video it was. It was either the last one or the one before that. I showed the Turbo theme, and the Turbo theme costs $350, right? The average person is going to say, well, the Turbo theme costs $350 because it's better than this theme. And I actually proved on camera it's definitely not better because it has less features, but it costs almost 3 times more, which is ridiculous to say, but it almost, right? Which is my point. Not all themes are created equal. I know of a theme out there that costs over $1,000, and it's just simply not that good, right? It's just not that good. And so you want to pay attention to which theme is going to work the best for you and what you want to do, right? So for me, like I said, that theme is Wolf. But for some other people, it's not Wolf. Some people, it might be, I don't know, Turbo. It might be Debutify because they like to pay high monthly fees. I mean, like I said, everybody's kind of different. Basically, if you guys want to grab the Wolf theme, I'll leave it in the link in the description box down below. It is my affiliate link, but you guys don't have to grab it, obviously, if you don't want to, because like I said, every theme is going to fit differently for every person. I like the Wolf of Shopify theme. It's very, I guess you could say versatile. I can use it for drop shipping. I can use it for clothing. I can use it for digital products. I can use it for so many things. If you guys want to see some videos of me building it for stores other than clothing, I would super love to do that. So just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure I do that, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.